Good morning, children. Good. How are you doing today? Let's hear here. So let's start an energizer. You want an energizer? Yeah. Hey, let's go. Shake it, just like this. Shake it, just like this. Shake it, just like this. And all your hands. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like this. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. And all your hands. Yeah. Give yourself a little kitty clap. You know what is a little kitty clap? No. Little kitty clap is like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, kitty. Yes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, kitty. Before you sleep, please arrange your chairs and read those questions. Down. Okay? When you call your name, please say things that you can live without. You understand? Okay. Some can I don't allow. I don't ask. Alvina. Maria Bonita. Solo and kids. My family. Family. Jenny Joy Innocential. Mrs. Joy Muyo. I can live without money. Joanna. I can live without you. Princess Andres. Elizabeth Tambuo. Nano. Natasha. Okay. So the answer for today is Ken and Chloe. Before we continue to our topic, let's have our classroom rules. Please read that one. Classroom rules. See. Seatmates. Okay. Our classroom rules first. The teacher is teaching or doing the discussion. If the teacher is discussing Number 1, water. Number 2, 9. Number 3, skills. Number 4, furniture. Number 5, intelligence. Okay, that's A. Set A, set B. If A is basic need of a family, and F if it is not. Number 1, house. Number 2, food. Number 3, cellular phone. Number 4, clothes. Number 5, car. Are you done? Yes, po. Yeah. Okay, please pass your paper. You want to play a game, children? Yes. Before we our game, let's have our mechanics. Please read the other one. Mechanics. The class will be divided into 2 groups, 3 ones and 3 needs. Both of them should have in the beginning words and after members will be the answer. It should be done without making any sounds. Each group will be given 5 starting points. If the representative or the answer made noises, points will be deducted. The members now raise their hands if they want to answer. The group who earned more points is automatically the winner. So it will be divided into 2 groups, team ones and team needs. All of you should have one representative that will be standing here in front. So the member and the professor should not make any noises. The one who will be a representative is just going to school. And the rest of the members will be the professor. You will be just raise your hands if you want to answer and don't make any noises. If you make any noises, your points will be deducted. So if group 1 or group 2 earn more points, so if, for example, group 1 earn more points, so group 1 is still the leader. Did you get it? Yes. Okay. Count Jenny 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 1. Okay. Group 1 is team ones and group 2 is team kids. Group 1 is kids. And pick your representative. We're going Group 1 will be your representative. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3, go. Swimming. Group 2, 2 points. Okay, 2 points lang. So, 8 bucks, 2 points, 8 bucks. Okay, bucks. Group 1 is the first one to say this. Next. A group 2 has a Great. I have here a picture. All of you will guess please what it means. It's called or means one word. Yes, it's the bedroom. If you want to answer, raise your hands. Okay? Raise your hands. Each picture, yes, will have a 2 points. It will be add to your points. Okay? Raise your hands if you want to answer. 1, 2, 3, go. Group 1. What other tools? Next. Next. What do you call this? It's a goods. Okay, last. Yes, group 1. Energy. Yes. You got 6 points and 4 points and 4.6 points. And all in all, you got 21 points. And 19 points. Write down your numbers for people and write down your points again. 15. Okay, do you think all of this is important in our daily lives? Yes. Why do you think it's important? Because yes, yes. And get out. Yes, Lucia. It is that the time, the materials, human energy, and foods are important to our everyday life because we cannot live our life without them. So all of your answers are correct. So days is all about needs and like family resources and needs. Okay, all of your answers are correct. Our topic for today is all about family resources and needs. So before we continue to our topic, let's have first our objectives. Please read everyone. And then needs you needs and demonstrate family resources and needs. So that's the few things we should say after our lesson. So, who have an idea of what is a family? Yes, it says family is love. Another hand, hello. Family is our love. Yeah. Family is the smallest unit of our society and also it is the foundation of the society. Yes, yes, guys. You have an idea what is a family? Again, my family is family is a church. With this read, family basically a community. Family resources is important to meet the needs and wants in order to survive. So family is a basic unit or basic part of our community. And also family is the smallest part of our community. Also, family must be in a good state. So, we, as you, of course, you as a children, must have a good environment in your family. So, you will not be mapariwara in the future. And also, family is our first school. Why do you think family is our first school? Another hand. Elizabeth, why do you think family is our first school? First school, yes. Family is our first school because it's like our home where our parents guide us and they shape us together. Elizabeth, 5 class. Family is our first school because this is where we learn manners. Our family also teach us how to do chores like doing cleaning, pagwawalis, and also doing our laundry. Marunong na ba kayo maglaba? Yes! Of course, you're a basic. Next is a resources. So, our idea of what is a resources? Ian, what do you think is a resources? Resources are all the needs that we use in our lives. For example of material resources are food and other necessities that we need. And Human resources is the things that we need to survive and to go on our daily life. Thank you. Please read. You. So human resources, for example, is like abilities, intelligence, and skills. So every person or every one of you has a unique skills and ability and intelligence that way to improve not only for himself or herself, but also for others. It's important to identify what your talents or skills para mas ma-utilize nyo or mas magamit nyo siya sa kabutihan. And next is strength and energy. Siyempre, kailangan din ang tao ang strength and energy para sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Pag wala kang ng lakas or strength is hindi mo naman kaya ang mga pagtrabaho, hindi mo kaya pumasok sa school, or kahit gumising sa umaga. And energy din para mas ma-stabilize mo yung pang-araw-araw mo na buhay. Next is material resources. Material resources. Ang material sa labor can be used for practical human purposes that are considered human value. Material resources is yung mga nakikita natin sa ating paligid. For example, nakikita ang puno, yun ay material resources. Kasi, ang pangangailangan din ng tao, for example, is makapagtayo ng bahay. Okay, please read. Also, material resources are valuable assets, house, and land. So, material resources ay yung mga nagagamit na mga tao sa pang-araw-araw. Halimbawa ay ang bahay. We live in a house sa pang-araw-araw natin ng buhay at ang mga furniture na nilagamit natin sa loob ng ating bahay. And also, yung mga appliances is also a part of material resources. But, do you think other material resources na kinakailangan ng tao for everyday living? No. Yes? Yes. Clothes. Another. Jenny. Boots. Boots. Ano pa? Sir. Sure. Also, yung mga sakyan, cars, airplanes, and partition ng mga materials. Yes, and also cash. Cash din ay part ng material resources. Kasi pag walang pera, you can buy food, you can buy your necessities for everyday living. And the third type of resources is a non-material resources. Please read that one. Non-material resources are resources that are intangible such as health, experiences, and time. Ito naman ay yung mga hindi na hawakan or intangible siya, yung mga hindi dapat na natin na ano. For example, ay time. Hindi natin pwede hawakan yung time, di ba? And also, yung ating health, hindi naman natin alam kung kaya tayo magkakasakit. Kaya tayo, ano yung sakit natin, kapag magpapacheck up tayo sa doktor, saka natin malalaman. Kasi sila yung mas may knowledge about sa health. And next is yung mga experiences. So, di ba nalalaman yung experiences ng isang tao? Paliban na lang ako nagkwento sa'yo. Di ba? So, next is our Family basic needs. Family many different basic needs. First is food. Food. Why do you think food is one of the basic needs of a family? Princess. Why do you think food is one of the basic needs of a family? Because without food, we cannot live. And another one, princess. We can live without food because our weight will lose and also we will lose our energy and also our strength, so we can do anything without food. Okay, very good. Another answer is are correct. So food is one of the important part of a family basic needs. Why? Because it gives us fuel. Siya nagbibigay ng mga ng energy, ng strength for us para mabuhay sa pang-araw-araw, para makapaglamad-lamad tayo ng move around. Sa'yo nang bibigay ng strength natin. And food din, yung dyan din ang galing sa food, yung ating mga ating energy. Ito din yung part ng family na para makapag-survive sila sa mga araw-araw na gawain and multiply. Next is shelter. This is why do you think shelter is important in a family basic need?
Shelter is very important in our lives. Why? Because without shelter, wala tayo masisiluhan.
Yes, very good. So we need a shelter or house to live in. Dahil siya kailangan din ng pamilya. Kailangan naman na pamilya lang tayo sa magubatan. Hindi naman tayo mga sinauna. Hindi naman tayo sa sinaunang panahon. We're living in a modern world. Kaya ano ba tayo sa atin para sa dahil sa akin na sikat na araw. Also, it gives us protection. Lalo na kapag may mga yes, pag may mga sakunar, mga ina sa ano, dumadating sa ating buhay sa araw-araw. And third is clothes or underwear. Why do you think clothes is a part of a family? Elizabeth. Why do you think clothing is important or a part of a family business?
Clothing is important as to cover our whole body and protect us through silence.
This is the one who will protect us on the when we're in old days of Saturday, like that. Pag wala ka namin sila, wala natin yung magkakasakit ka. And also, kayo ang nagpuprotect ka sa sun, insects. Lalo kapag we're going to yes, sa Baguio.
To all places.
So if you're going to Baguio, you'll have to wear
Big clothes.
big clothes. Because it's cold there.
And the bumper.
Third is education. Why do you think education is a part of a basic family needs?
I think education is one of the basic family basic needs because without education, we cannot write, we can write, we can breathe, and it is impossible for us as humans to live in this modern world without without education, because as of now that we are in this world that is full of technology, so education is very important.
Yes, very good. So education is one part of the family basic needs kasi this is the one who teaches us kung paano mabuhay na mas madali sa mga araw-araw or sa mga mahirap na typical situations sa buhay natin. Also, family and education is mayroong very close relationship from each other. Because family is the basis of the good education. Kapag yung pamilya nyo, for example, is your father is a doctor, your mother is a doctor. So, yung anak o yung anak nung magulang, siyempre, magiging doctor din. So, may magiging production siya ng good education sa pamilya. And it is social needs. Social needs like friendship, family, and intimacy. Why do you think social needs is one of the part of family basic needs? Juana. Social needs like love, because without them we can bring incest. Ikaw ba naiiyak o by social needs or love, friendship, and other romantic attachments is part of the family.
With friendship, family, and intimacy, we can bring you to others.
Very good. Yes, Natasha?
Because it is the things that
Very good. So, all of you that all of your answer is correct. So, give them Jollibee Club. You know what is Jollibee Club?
Yes.
No? By the way, she says you know what is Jollibee Club. Can you demonstrate it to them?
Yes.
Okay, here it goes.
1, 2, 3, hila ka sa saya. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, hila ka sa saya.
So, one of the basic family basic needs because, for example, those needs that such as love, acceptance, and belongingness. So, the need of for every person for emotional relationship drives human behavior like friendship or romantic attachment or yung pagiging parte natin sa religious organization sa yung mga pangangailangan natin sa araw-araw. For example, is nakapanalig ka na sa Diyos. Eh, mga kaibigan kang sobrang ako sa Diyos, tapi parang nakakutulog ka nila. Parang mahihirap ka doon. Yes, may influensyahan ka ng kaibigan mo na mas napalapit pa doon sa Panginoon. Like that. Kung for example naman yung mga kaibigan mo is like very good, nag-aaral ng puti. Di ba makakawaan ka din ng kaibigan mo na mag-aaral ang mabuti? Kung pa naman yung mga kaibigan mo. Pero may pagkasahan ka din. Yes.
I agree with that.
So, did you understand what is our lesson for today?
Yes.
Lesson for today is all about family resources and needs. So, let's have a recap of what we have discussed earlier. Get a one-word sheet of paper and write your answer there. It's only a question. 2 questions, by the way. Okay. Are you ready?
Not yet. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, first question. Write the question. Write the question or write the question first before you answer. What are the types of family resources? What are the types of family resources? It's three. There are three types of family resources. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Second, give examples from each of the family resources. Human resources, other resources, and the material resources. Give one example from each resources. One only example. Yes. Are you done? If you're done, what's your paper? You're done. I can see that you really learned from our lesson. Give yourself a very good clap. Very good. Okay, to test your ability, we're going to have a group activity. Our group view and group rules is to will be given cards of any situation for them to plan and do the task. The group 1 will pick three resources and show it through role playing. And the second group naman ay pick one of three resources and make a poem about it. Did you get it? Yes. Same group kanina. Group 1 and group 2. Group 1 will be role playing. Group 2 is a rather be writing a poem about it. Yes, that's one of the resources. Group 1. Group 2. Yes. Here is your quiz. Yes. Now, after that, present here, and draw. Here is the rubrics for your verbal English. Each of you will have 5 minutes. It's 11:16, so 11:21 we're going to present it here and from. Teacher, ready po nila? Yes. You only have 3 minutes. You only have 2 minutes. You only have 1 minute. Okay, done? Yes. Your work here in front, group 1.
Good morning everyone. Kami po ang Book 1. Ipapakita po namin ang role playing na nagpapakita ng family resources and needs na pumapatungkol sa non-material, which is health, experiences, friendship, and time. Guys, camera, action. What's going At doon ako nagtatapos ang aming role playing. Ipakita niyo po is non-material, which is kakikitaan niyo sa yung unang scene po is about sa family na kahit nasa pang-busy kung gumanap na father dun sa aming role playing, may time siya na i-manage at may time siya na bigyan ng bonding ang kanyang pamilya. Tapos, ang pangalawa naman po is yung health, which is health and friendship na nakita natin sa role-playing nila Juan at saka ni Elizabeth na nandun yung nagpakonsult sila sa doktor about sa kanilang health. Tapos, nandun din nakitaan yung friendship nilang dalawa. And then, nung pumabalik sila, nakitaan din po sila ng experiences which is non-material din na habang naglalakad sila papauwi na kinukwento nila yung experiences nila doon sa doktor na pinagkonsultahan nila. Doon po nagtatapos sa aming role play. You can never know.
Do you think their role was played simultaneously to expand on? Yes. It got and points. Next is voice was clear without Fred, volume, and inflection. Yes. No, the other one is their voice is. So they got 9 points. Next is role play captured and maintained. They captured and maintained. Yeah. So they got 29 points.
The group should present your work here in front. Will be the one to present your work. So, good morning everyone. The type of family resources that we have to service than material resources. So, our class So, let's start. Quiet spaces where moments flow, like treasure, might represents it that always do. Not gold or silver or ties of wine, but whispers of time and dreams alive. A sunrise shared with friends so near, laughter echoing sharing here. The first drop of rain on a summer's day, memories sweet in the simplest way. We start from stars, close in soul. Lessons we cherish as we grow old. The warmth of a hug, a look so kind. The touch of love, hearts in return. Time, a river we all must ride. Each second a gift with the world as our guide. Experience which, like mosaics fly, moments of joys, battles hard won. No gold can hold these treasures bright, nor shadows obscure the radiant light. In hearts they reside, this dream so true, riches of life, ever.
Very good. Yes, yes, so we think Mia delivered the poem on Quick and Deep, the word. Yes. Speak clearly without great volume. Also on the rhyme and originally made. Yes. So Mia, 30. Write the name of your members in the paper and the points that you get. So let's move on. Starting. So let's have an assessment. Write your name on the upper part of the paper. Okay, sa mga tapos na, kunin nyo ang assignment. You're not done. You can answer. Write your assignment. Are you done? Yes. That's all for today. Goodbye to the bread. Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you for watching.